Welcome, everyone. All right, think about this. If you are in pain for an hour or a day, you know how miserable that can be. Now let's move to chronic pain and how that can really impact your life in just so many ways. Dr. Sophie Jacobs says that she not only can eliminate your pain, but do it naturally. Her patient, Rosalva Altamirano, is also here with her story. Ladies, thank you so much for being here. Doctor, I think a lot of people can feel what I'm saying, whether it's an hour, whether it's a day, whether it's chronic, all of the time. Can you really eliminate it?
Well, I have eliminated people's pain for now for over 2 decades. As a chiropractor doing functional medicine and clinical nutrition, and I also come from a very strong background of natural healing as I'm a second generation from my dad. And one quote I stand by is by Thomas Edison. He says, "The doctor of the future will give no medications, but will interest his patient in the care of the human frame, in diet, and in the cause and prevention of disease." So, you know, our structure dictates our function. So that's what I stand by. So I love to empower people by helping you getting out of pain, losing weight, and really to give you a chance to live your life to your fullest potential every day.
And I think a lot of people, that's what they would want. They would want to do this, eliminate this pain, but do it naturally, not have to be on medications every day and some of the things that we know. And when we're saying eliminating pain, are we talking about people with nerve pain or neuropathy?
Yeah, it can stem different kinds of pain, but you know, the way we handle that is I will work on the nervous system with many angles, okay? So neuropathy and a chronic pain, nerve pain, is a very complex chronic condition. It can stem from trauma, from disc problem, from, can be diabetes, it can be certain time of cancer treatment, spinal stenosis. So what we use, I use cutting-edge technology in my office that not only helps decrease pain and inflammation, it also improves range of motion and improves patient strength immediately, and it is proven to repair and help regenerate your nerves and your joints. And in regards to neuropathy and chronic nerve pain, most of the time those patients don't have good circulation to begin with. So I use another specific treatment that will enhance that. 1 8-minute treatment will increase your microcirculation by 30 to 40%. So, and we will work, this is for the entire body. So that really is important to work over the target area, like your feet, your hand, whatever it stems from. And we also give specific nutrients to enhance your body to the affected tissue involved so your body can repair and regenerate at a cellular level. There's 3 things you need to heal. You need good nerve support for optimal function, you need oxygen, and you need good circulation to get all those nutrients to those tissues. And like I mentioned, it is what I use in my office is a comprehensive, holistic approach. And it really is about removing interference in your body. So your body is doing what it's designed to do, is healing. So this is what this is all about.
And I love no matter what we're talking about when you come to visit me, I love that it's a program for everything. Like you said, we're not just targeting one thing, it's the whole body. We want everything to be set correctly. And I love that it's natural, which I think a lot of people is what's perking their interest. Rosalva, what was your story that ended up your paths crossing with Dr. Jacob?
Well, I saw Dr. Jacob on the morning line.
Oh.
And mine was for pain management. I was diagnosed with scleroderma, which is a very painful disease, in 1999. So 19 years I was in extreme pain and swelling. I'm an educator, and I could no longer practice my my career.
Yeah.
So I started seeing Dr. Jacobs in October of 2017, and in 3 months I've gone from an 8, I would say, chronic daily pain to about a 4, and when I'm having a flare-up it's like 5, maybe 4.5. The pain was causing me to swell, and I would bloat, therefore I couldn't breathe, and secondary I have pulmonary hypertension. It affected my system. I couldn't eat. And then I had edema, so I couldn't drink water, so I was in bad problems. I couldn't perspire, but she said that the infrared technology, it's cutting edge. About 2 weeks ago, I was sweating. Yes, and I came out of the sauna, and I was like, Dr. Jacob, I'm sweating. there's just 19 years I couldn't do this. And I'm able to exercise now. I walk 4 miles. I'm on the bike 4 miles 3 times a week. And so it's just overall wellness. But my emotions, when I met Dr. Jacobs, she just zeroed in on my childhood trauma that I thought I had dealt with over and over. And in the process of getting aligned, of doing the infrared, of doing the beamer, my emotions are so stable. I'm so sure of myself, and I'm able to do things that I haven't done for 19 years. And so, yeah.
And this is, we talk a lot about from the inside, you know, inside out it's everything you're talking about, your emotions, how you're feeling. It has a very wide range of how it feels when you're going through that and also when you're feeling better. Roslava, I want to thank you so much for sharing your story. This is amazing in just a few months how much the doctor could help you. I'm going to get everybody else on board with this. Doctor, thank you for coming. You guys, thank you so much. For the first 20 callers, you guys, who call 520-891-2882, you can get a spinal and neurological exam for only $79. 20% of the proceeds are actually going to support the Southern Arizona Children's Advocacy Center. Again, that number for this special is 520-891-2882.